Hello my lovelies, fabs, besties, everything all joined together. Good day, and how are you all doing? I am Ijebu girl, a content creator based in Lagos State, Nigeria. And I'm here with yet another mind-blowing video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this yummy and mouth-watering meal, pap with fried eggs. I am sorry that I did not show you how I started frying my eggs. I didn't know that my camera was switched off when I started filming this video. Please pardon me for this. Please don't call for me, oh my people. Don't abuse me. This was just my craving. I thought of what to eat this morning, and this thought just came to my mind that why can't I just prepare pap with fried eggs? I wasn't craving for the conventional pap with moi akara beans situation. Yeah, this was just my preference this morning. And you can see my egg frying very well on my stove. And in my frying pan. My egg is still frying. It is done now. It is fried, well fried now. So I will now proceed to make the pap. Guinea corn pap is very difficult to prepare. You will need patience to make this pap, and you will need to cook it well on the stove. If not, it will come out watery and undone, which I didn't want. Hence, I cooked it well on my stove after pouring the hot water. So I'm in the process of preparing the pap. You need to cook it well. That's what I'm doing to achieve a thickened and well cooked pap. So, like I said earlier on, you need patience to prepare this guinea corn pap. The pap is done. It's cooked, well cooked. Yeah. So I will portion it into my plates. My fried eggs and pap are ready. Can you see them? Looking pretty on my table. Very delicious meal. Very tasty pap with fried eggs. It was so yummy. So what I will do next is I poured my sugar, a little bit of sugar, and I'll stir everything to combine with my pap. And voila, my food is ready. My meal is ready to be devoured. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye.